Oh. That's one of 3 usually.
Yeah.
Wait for it.
Echo down the street.
Maybe just 2 today. Nope. Just 1. Anyway, good Monday morning, folks. Ralph and Lou coming at you from a beautiful day outside.
Beautiful day, guys.
We are going to get coffee because that's how we start every day, especially Mondays. No, every day.
Only when we don't have beans do we go get coffee.
This is true.
Yeah.
And we don't have beans because we didn't want to buy beans before VidCon because then they'll just be sitting in the cupboard, you know. Speaking of VidCon, I'm getting like really excited.
Yeah, me too.
It's gonna be hard to do work the next couple days, but
We'll
it's
get her
exciting.
done.
It's exciting. Oh, sorry, I just walked in. But everything's pretty much ready to go for VidCon. Lou's going to print off our registration tickets today, and then we just basically have to check in and get our cab to the airport, guys.
Cheers, baby.
Yas! Ah! That's my bus. Dang it. Hey guys, so Ralph coming at you from outside again. And I hope this isn't too loud. It has been kind of a cluster of an afternoon. I have to go into the office because apparently I didn't back up files that I need to get done before we go to VidCon. So I left to try and get a bus, missed the bus, classic, and there's only so many hours left in the day. Whew. So I got an Americano, and now I'm just boarding to the next stop, taking all the weird, creepy shortcuts. Well, that was fun. This is why Lou's amazing, among other reasons. Oh, look at it, it's a heart.
A heart-shaped
Oh, that is the cutest thing I have ever seen.
Because I think you had maybe a kind of a stressful day at first. So.
Well, thank you, dear. Yeah, it was a little bit stressful having to go into the office because I'm supposed to practice tonight too in half an hour. And I just like getting stuff ready for VidCon, trying to edit videos so that you guys have stuff to watch, and then I was just a little stressed out, but you know what?
Yeah. Hey, baby.
You're the best. And we're gonna be in sunny Cali in 2 days, so it doesn't even matter. Doesn't even matter. I'm gonna eat some of that pizza. I'm gonna eat all that pizza.
Yeah, buddy.
My ride's here. Thanks so much for the pizza, baby. It's delicious.
So Ralph went out to practice and he brought the GoPro that we borrowed from my brother, and apparently it's not working. I'm not sure. I got a message from Ralph saying It's your husband. I forgot my phone. Also, the GoPro isn't working, so there's that. And that was, he texted on his brother's phone to let me know that he doesn't have a cell phone. Come in here and it's plugged in. Which honestly, there's a lot on that guy's mind, so I knew he'd probably forget something. But he did bring the GoPro, but it just sucks that it's not working. Because I think he was gonna try to like strap it to his drum kit or to himself. I don't know. I'm just chilling at home. I got some packing on the go. Gonna do some of that. I might have some fun Snapchats in store while I'm doing that because I have Ralph's phone. You know, stuff like that. Ooh, look at that. I'm painting my nails. Fancy. It's probably been over a year since I've painted my nails. So it's kind of fun. And I'm being patient and doing a good job. Because I'm usually not patient enough and I'll just do one hand and then the other and then screw up the other hand and yeah. I don't know if I like the color. It's just like red. I need to do my toes too. But my toes are ugly, so don't look at that shot. I am in the process of editing a fun little vlog that's basically, it's like exactly 2 minutes long. 2 minutes and 3 seconds. It's baking something and it's just me and it's kind of cool. And I just filmed it all, so it's not rough quality, but I tried. So it's kind of fun. I'm gonna overlay music if I can figure that out. And it's cool. It's just a way to share a recipe that I like. So anyway, that's what I'm doing. I'm painting my nails and editing. That's probably a really bad idea. But I'm just drawing by one hand. I don't even know if I'm gonna do my right hand yet. Maybe I'll do it tomorrow. I am now painting my nails, my other hand, and watching that 70s show. Right? Look who's home. And he's into the VidCon snacks.
I have no self-control.
In your Sriracha shirt. Are you gonna split that?
Mm-hmm.
Is it decent?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Don't eat any more.
Those ones.
I know, those ones aren't actually good for you or anything, but it's more just like a filler.
So guys, I was practicing tonight.
Oh, I mentioned that you left everything at home and the GoPro wasn't working.
I took the GoPro because I was going to get some drumming shots.
Yeah. Let's steal some of
I
this.
forgot my phone.
Mm-hmm.
And the GoPro wasn't charged.
Hmm. So, what did you look like tonight
That's
drumming?
no video.
There you go. That's all you're missing out on. One more day, one more day.
One more day to California.
We leave in 27 hours?
Ish.
We leave at 3 in the morning, guys.
Pumped.
Oh.
Pumped.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go to bed.
Let's go to bed, honey.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Yep. Bye, guys.
Hey, Chico, we just be chillin'.